I wonder if run have on a fish, you know. Wait, hang up. Yes. Got fish on, you know. Run here. Boss a fight a fish. Sean. I want silver fish.
Yeah, make him get trainer.
Whoa. Hot nice fish. Yeah, man. Yeah, me never see one so big.
Alright. The next step is to season this fish and put it down for a little while, and I'll deal with the vegetables, right? So we're going to score the fish. First of all, I love to score the fish. So we'll just score the fish like that. Alright? In order for the seasoning to soak in the fish, we just score it like that. Alright guys, so that's the mixture right there. Good. Alright, so what we do next, get the foil paper, alright? This foil paper, I'm gonna need like a few pieces of foil now, because I don't want it to run over. Maybe I pressed it in a thing, baking tin in the oven, but we're going to need more foil to wrap it on both sides and create a package like. So we're going to need some butter, right? You know that we need the butter. Let's put the butter, I'm going to put the butter down and put the butter on the foil. So I'm going to have to put the foil. Stuff some of the fish belly over right up in the head. See the head have a whole lot of space, you know. So you stuff up in the head like that. Very nice. Look at that. Right across. Need a bigger file paper. Other thing, man, I tell you man, we love fishing and fishing over there. Alright, I'm going to use a new piece of file paper because this thing is coming like. I don't know if I can roast a plant in there too. I think so, you know. What do you think, guys? What do you think? You think we can roast this? I have one plant in the place, you know. We can just put it in the oven too, you know. Yeah, man, I don't never look. So I get more. A new piece of oil. So I draw this one a little. I want this space, you know. Them catch and cook thing here will make me build a bigger kitchen, you know. Sure. Yes, build a bigger kitchen. That's where the money there. Where the money there to build a big kitchen, eh? You know, that's a file paper not good for you, you know, so I don't even know if I'm going to cover the whole fish. Yeah, so cover the whole fish. I need more file paper now, so now I'll put this down yet. I might just need some more. So let's stay right there for the time being. Alright, so see there? It looks like it wants to use more file paper. So I kind of wrap back this end. Wrap up that end. Wrap up this end. Wrap up the end, huh? And I'm gonna wrap this end. Creating like a little package. After fold it up, I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to take my trouble. So just fold it up so that the juice don't run out in the stove. You know, guys, you have to fold it up and turn it up that the juice don't run out in the stove on the stove. So that's all the edges you turn them up like this. you know, you turn it up because this is how we don't want, we're not going to flip it over in the oven. You know. You gotta stay like this. So you turn it up. All of this stay up. Oh my, this one bore, oh shucks. Now listen when I'm trying to get, I'm not gonna weak, you know. I prefer look like them weak, brother. Alright, this one. This one looks like. Alright, first one. Must cook. We have to put it in this baking tin, you know, guys, because we don't want it to drain out in the oven and mess up the oven, right? So you're going to bake it in that tin in the oven for about 40 minutes to an hour on 230 degrees, alright? So we just, the oven is preheated, see there? Just giving it some time to warm up properly. Okay, so just about ready now. Yeah. Let's see this fish now. Wow. Just take it out of the fire tape, out of the oven now. 30 minutes I give it, because guess what, the fish not so, fish is not so big, not so thick, so we'll just give it about 30 minutes, 37 minutes should be exact. So I want to see how the fish look. So I want to see how this fish look. Wow, wow, yes. Ah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Hmm? Oh, that's the plantain, guys. And that's the fish. Alright, so this is it now. The fish nice, and look at the fish. So guys, look at that. Nice meat. See that? White and nice. Nice there. Vegetable there. That everything is there. Yeah. Wow. Hey guys, must try this, you know. Bake the plantain. When it's hot, take it out and cut it right down the middle and put some butter in there. Me I tell you it bad. The fish, nice. See there? Yeah man, so this is it. Nice. Captain not here, you know, so guess what? Me and mommy I used to have this one. Captain not here, no. The captain not here, no. So me and mommy I eat have this one. Yeah. Perfect. Look down now. Try it. Alright guys, so you know, if you like this video, shoot us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright? Press that notification bell for all notifications. And remember, like the videos, right? Because it helps the channel to grow. Right now I want to grow this channel a little bit. Alright guys? Alright, this is not big, a small channel. But I want to grow this channel. Alright guys, so help us to grow. Alright? Until then, we see you again. Peace, one love, fish on.